Just 2 ingredients, you will be surprised by the result. Start by adding 4 whole eggs in a medium bowl. Next, beat them very well until the yolk has fully dissolved. When that happens, pour in 2 cans of condensed milk containing 395 grams each. And keep mixing very well until the mixture combines and forms a smooth custard. This is the right consistency. You may now stop mixing and set aside. Once you've done that, in a large skillet over medium-low heat, add 1 cup containing 240 milliliters of refined sugar and spread it evenly on the skillet. Once it starts to melt, stir very well until fully melted. Now, gradually add ½ cup of water and keep stirring non-stop until a caramel sauce forms. Leave us a comment with the name of the city from which you're watching this. I'd like to give you a shout out and thank you for sharing this recipe. This is the right point. Transfer all this caramel sauce to a 20-centimeter diameter ring cake tin. And using a spatula, spread the caramel sauce around the edges of the cake tin, just like this. Now, pour in the flan custard we made. Cover the tin with aluminum foil. If you've made it here, that means you're enjoying our recipe. So, click the share button and share this video with all your friends. It won't cost you anything, but for us, it will make all the difference. Place the tin into a large saucepan. Add enough water to cover half of the tin, cover the saucepan, and let it cook for 30 minutes. After this indicated time, remove the tin from the heat. Take it to the fridge and let it chill for at least 2 hours. Then, just unmold it onto a nice serving plate. That recipe is ready. You may now get a slice and enjoy it. I really hope you liked this recipe. Now, I'll head back to the comment section and will continue to answer everyone who left the name of their city. And I'll also thank you for sharing this recipe. See you next recipe. Bye.